Hi, I'm James from Velocity Home Lifts. As an architect, builder or designer, you're constantly looking for innovation and value to your projects. Let me introduce you to our Compass lift, proudly designed and manufactured right here in Australia. Engineered specifically for new constructions and major renovations. The Compass lift seamlessly integrates into your designs while offering uncompromising safety and reliability. What makes the Compass unique is its self-supporting steel structure, eliminating the need for expensive structural modifications. This means simplified planning, faster installation, and less coordination between trades. Available in 4 versatile sizes, the Compass adapts to various design requirements while maintaining its contemporary aesthetic. Each component is rigorously tested to meet and exceed Australian standards, backed by our 25-year warranty on the motor and gearbox. I'd love to show you how the Australian-made Compass lift can elevate your next project. Reach out to me directly to schedule a personal consultation or visit our showroom to experience the quality firsthand.